Have you ever stood between two mirrors, staring into what seems like an endless tunnel of reflections? It's a mesmerizing sight, isn't it? Well, today, we're uncovering the mystery behind why this tunnel doesn't truly go on forever and why, eventually, those reflections fade into darkness. If you've ever wondered about the magic behind mirror reflections or simply enjoy dissecting everyday phenomena, this video is for you. Let's dive into the fascinating world of mirrors and discover something new together. Did you know that when two mirrors face each other, they create a series of reflections that seem to extend infinitely? But here's the twist. These reflections don't actually go on forever. In fact, each reflection gets a bit darker than the last. Why does this happen? Well, it turns out, mirrors are not perfect reflectors. Every time light bounces off a mirror, a small fraction of its energy is absorbed. This means the light that's reflected is slightly less intense than the light that hit the mirror. Imagine turning on a flashlight and pointing it at a mirror. The light you see reflected back at you is not as bright as the flashlight itself. Now, picture that same light bouncing between two mirrors facing each other. With each reflection, the light loses a bit more of its intensity. Eventually, it fades into invisibility. But how many reflections does it take before the light fades completely? You might be surprised to learn that even the best mirrors can only produce a few hundred visible reflections. Let's think about practical examples we encounter daily. Have you ever noticed the reflections in elevators or washrooms with opposing mirrors? Next time, take a closer look and see if you can notice them getting darker. This absorption phenomenon is not just limited to mirrors. It's a basic principle of physics that applies to many aspects of our lives, from the way sunglasses protect our eyes to how instruments detect light. Understanding this principle helps us appreciate not just the limits of our perception, but also the complexity of the world around us. So, what can we learn from this? Firstly, it's a reminder that even in a world that seems filled with endless possibilities, there are constants and laws. Secondly, it shows us that sometimes looking beyond the surface can reveal fascinating insights. Lastly, it's a perfect example of how science can explain the magic in our everyday lives. Outro. We've just scratched the surface of the curious case of mirror reflections. It's amazing how a simple setup of two mirrors facing each other can open up a world of scientific exploration. This journey into the world of reflections teaches us that there's always more than meets the eye. I hope you found this exploration as intriguing as I did. If you did, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending content. Let's keep questioning, exploring, and learning together. Next time you're between two mirrors, pause to admire the fleeting beauty of light's dance and appreciate the secret behind fading reflections. Now you know the secret behind the fading reflections. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.